welcome back to another video. Now, I'm currently installing some hot grips onto my bike. I'll put a little video, but the GoPro has run out of charge, so I'm currently putting the tail tidy on, so that's nice. It's on there. The wires are not the best, but they'll do for now, I think. There's so much stuff everywhere. So yeah, I'm just putting this on here. I thought I'd put it on upside down then. So yeah, the next thing that I want to get is the black screen for that. I did have a yoke protector somewhere, but I can't seem to find it anywhere. So I don't know where that's gone. So yeah, it should be good when that's on. So yeah, once they're done, I'll come back to you guys when it's all done.
Welcome back to another MotoVlog. So yeah, the heated grips are on now, and the tail tidy. Honestly, it's so much better with these on. Oh. They do get cold quite quick though. Like, say it goes into battery saving mode, they do go cold really quick, and they take quite a while to heat up as well. It's not like instant, which is actually, you know, expected. It's not going to be instantly hot as soon as you turn it on. But yeah, no, it's quite good. I've fitted them myself. I think I've done quite a good job, so I'm not very mechanical. Like, I do know how to fucking do mechanical shit, but I'm just never very good at it, to be honest. Like, when I had my XTRS, the Lex Moto, I tried putting like handlebars on and what else did it? Oh, a digital dash, and I couldn't do them. The handlebars were never right, the grips. No, this is really good. I really like the heat control thing. Oh my god, what was that? So yeah, it's been quite a while since I've made a video, but yeah, I don't really been on the bike. If I go on the bike, I then make a video. Like the last time I made a video was the last time I went on the bike. I could filter, but I can't be bothered. I'll just sit here in traffic, to be honest. And that's the new Corsa. Well, it does look miles better compared to the old one. Yeah, it's a lot bigger. Yeah, there's the old and the new right next to it. Oh, well, the even older right next to the old one. You probably don't have a fucking clue on the bike. I don't know if you could see, but there's like a Corsa, the new Corsa, it's only just come out, next to the previous gen Corsa, next to the one before that Corsa. There's like 3 fucking generations of Corsa right next to each other. EFS commercials. I used to work there, in fact. I was working there when I had the B-line, the Tapo RS. Oh wait, no, I made a video about how I got sacked from there actually. Can't remember. I had the XTRS then though. I think I might have been the first video on the XTRS. They're doing some upgrades on this road, and oh my god, it's so annoying. They're going to turn that low, it's going to turn down there. Oh, it's going to take me forever to get down this road now. It's the only way I can get home from Burnley though. There's the motorway, and there's this road, but they're shutting this road for a year. Don't know when. So, if I want to come to Burnley, I'm going to have to go through Padiham. That's if you know where I'm from. Sorry there. The headphones fell out of my helmet. Oh. So, in other news, I have 2 job interviews next week. One for BT as a customer advisor, and the other one is for a lettings agent and a estate agent. So I might be leaving McDonald's, which was expected, but I was going to be a lorry. I wanted to leave McDonald's to become a lorry driver, not to go back into office work. But it is what it is. Oh my god. Finally. Fucking hell. This is ridiculous. I'm not going straight on, I'm going to go down here. Because the traffic down there is only going to be as bad. So yeah, the bike looks really good with the tail tidy on. I'm quite happy with it. I just need to get me double bubble screen, a few other bits. I've got some stickers on. So yeah, I don't really know what else I want to do with the bike, to be honest, apart from that. I definitely wanted heated grips. Just a bit annoyed that I waited this long to get them. Like, I should have got them way before Christmas. Because honestly, when I went out to see Dylan on his KTM Duke on the funny moments video, after that we met up again, and oh my god, it was freezing. My hands were like frozen. So I wish I had these then, and I wish, well, I know this is like a long time ago, but I wish I had them on my moped, because I remember how fucking numb my hands would be when I get to work. Should have got some fucking heated grips, shouldn't I? So yeah, we just hit 1.6k subscribers. Yeah, quite happy about that really. I think I'm going the right way. Yeah. Keeps flashing to say battery saving mode, I don't know why. Like, I'm not like, the engine's on. Yeah, I know my moped videos are doing really good at the moment. My car ones, a few of those have been taken off as well. There's one that's got almost 1,000 views. I knew my car videos wouldn't have got as big as my moped videos, because obviously cars, there's a lot more car vloggers than there is moped videos, but then there's a lot more 125 videos, so my 125 videos are doing, I think they're doing better, yeah, they are definitely doing better than my car videos, but no, I had to stop doing the car videos because there's just too much out there, and I don't think I could help anyone else better than what anybody else could do that's made videos. Like, I know Pano, so he's done some good videos. He's definitely the best like car vlogger to watch. Oh, bloody hell. I don't know what I thought my phone was ringing. When my phone rang, it stops the recording. You could imagine how annoying that is. had no idea what was going on then. Like, I pulled out in front of me and I was like, what the fuck? Just realised my indicator was on. So you know we'll play it out, man. Oh, this is gonna be a long drive home, this fucking hell. I had to open my visor because I couldn't see. So yeah, so hopefully I get this job. I'm more looking towards the job at BT. It's more money. It's 19,000 a year basic, whereas the other one, I think it said it starts from 13,000, which is really low. I'm on 14,000 at McDonald's, so it wouldn't even be worth me leaving for that. But the reason why I'm leaving is because I'm just fed up of having a different wage every week. Like over Christmas, I've had some time off. It's not gone down as holiday pay, so my wage has been really shit. They said we was going to get all of our holiday pay payout. They didn't do that. They said they're going to just leave it till our year anniversary, which is like a year after you start. You'll get all your holiday pay paid out that you haven't used, and you'll get that every single year on the date that you started. So it's quite good if you don't use your holidays, because you'll get like $1,000. There's a guy who got 1,000 added to his wage. His wage was already like 550, so he had like 1,550 wage, and that's a 2-week wage, not a month wage. He got taxed a shitload though, but he said he'll get it refunded when the tax thing comes in April. Honestly, I can't stand traffic. Traffic is doing my head in. I don't remember it being this bad when I was at work. I used to work in Burnley and I used to, drive this way every single day, twice a day. And I never remember it being this bad. Well, it's not even 5 o'clock yet. I can't wait to go home. This road always shows how loud my bike is, bloody hell. It's just loud. Oh, I shut my visor now, so hopefully it's not as windy. I just couldn't see. Obviously in that traffic you're breathing a lot and you're not moving, so there's not much wind to blow the condensation away, so your visor just teams up actually. Most of you'll know that. It's bloody annoying though. So yeah, the only reason why I've not been uploading videos is because I just haven't been out on the bike. Obviously I said that earlier. But I woke up today, the day off work, and I was like, you know what I'm going to go and do? I'm going to put these bike parts on that I got for Christmas. But I had a yoke protector, but I don't know where it's gone. They were only £4 like, but probably got binned, yoke, Christmas wrapping. It was only like a sticker. So if it's probably got binned, if I'd have to guess at anything. My hands are toasty, it's very warm, these grips are very hot. But I put it on 100 and yeah, it's quite hot. It's not that hot like it's going to burn your hands out, it's just nice, it's very nice and warm. But I had them on earlier when I first put them on and I was sweating. And it's freezing. But then again, like, my bike gear doesn't let it wind through. Like, I can't feel the wind at all. So obviously with my hands being hot and I'm just neutral, it makes me too hot. Ooh, I wonder if I'll see me mum. She finishes around this time. I think that's about an hour out of clock, so it's about 4:35. Should be about right. Should be finishing work back now. That'd be funny. Forget it's 30 down here. I'm paying for a bus. Oh, I need a piss. Just so you know. Look at that. I don't know why, but when I make toilet, it comes on instantly, I'm like dying. It doesn't get in. It's not very comfortable either. Obviously, bloody hell. I love the sound of the bike, it's just so cool. Listen to that, fucking hell. Sounds good. I've missed the bike. Can't wait for summer. I cannot wait for summer. The videos are going to be bloody good. There's a few people I know that are getting bikes, so summer's going to be brilliant, can't wait. Dylan's got an aquapovic exhaust full of carbon fibre. The only thing is he hasn't took the baffle out and he hasn't got a stainless steel downpipe, so it doesn't sound too good. It sounds alright, it sounds better than it was, but it's not loud at all. It's very quiet. But no, his exhaust is fucking well nice. It's like fully glossed black carbon fibre. Spent a bit too much money on it. I got mine for a fucking bargain, but I couldn't believe how fucking cheap I got mine for. 75 quid. I pretty much robbed the guy that sold me. I said that so many times. Why did he get off his bike to let me back? That was weird. I think people are intimidated by the sound of my bike. I don't know why. I think it pisses people off sometimes because I'll be driving normally, some guy will just start fucking shouting at me and I'm like, I don't even know what he's saying because I don't know what music playing, so I just ignore him, but I don't understand it, Some people are just snowflakes, aren't they? Fucking hell. And I don't even, it's not even like I drive this thing like stupid. Not in town anyway, I prefer in the country roads. That's a different story, but in the town, and I don't drive like a dickhead, I don't like start revving it up really loud, I don't take it too high revs. And I don't do that thing where you just keep revving, you know, like around town doing that, it's just really annoying. I'd never do that. I think I have like once or twice when I got the exhaust because it sounded good, but I didn't like keep doing it. It does me in when like two stroke fucking chavs do it all the time. I still want a new car, but I just don't know what to do about it. I really do like the MX-5, the Mark II, really nice, but I think I'm still going to get one of them, but as like a weekend car. Like this is my weekend bike, I don't commute on this. I think I'd like to have an MX-5 for not commuting on, but I can't have a bike and the car for just messing around on. Like, that's 3 vehicles I'd have a commuter car, a weekend car and a weekend bike. Well, that's a bit of messing around. I don't know. I mean, I don't have... Saying that, I was gonna say I don't have a lot of bills, but saying that, I do. The bike's my biggest bill. My car used to be, but after I got my 1 year's no claims discount, my insurance dropped to £75 a year. Not £75 a year, £75 a month. From 180, this has cost me £170 a month for the bike, finance and insurance, which isn't too bad. But I've also got a 4 mil, that's £72 a month, and then my car insurance on top of that, and the pay car is £46 a month, so it adds up, it does add up. I'm going to open my visor. If you're new man, I'm making a funny noise because I was holding the bike with my foot and I'm on a hill. I don't like the clutching if it was in neutral. Bloody hell. That were lucky. The microphone fell out the helmet then, I had to grab it before it fell out the helmet completely. I saved it though, don't worry. Oh, sweet. It just... it keeps falling, I don't know what's up with it. I've trapped the wire in the helmet visor and it's not bloody working. Just stay, what the fuck? There we go, I think I've done it. I'll probably fall again. I'll tell you what though, these heated grips are bloody good. I'm off my visor again.